Hey there folks, I'm Denny Brown from Golden Rule, where we care about your comfort. Today, I'm here to help you beat the heat and keep your home cool and cozy all summer. First, we have portable air conditioners, your trusty sidekick in the battle against summer swelter. Then, there are ductless mini splits, the cool kids of the cooling world. Portable air conditioners are budget friendly and perfect for temporary setups, but they might struggle to cool larger areas and some units can be a bit noisy. On the other hand, ductless mini splits are super energy efficient and offer customizable comfort zones throughout your home, but they do require professional installation, which can add to the cost. So which cooling solution is right for you? It depends on your need, budget, and lifestyle. Whatever you choose, know that Golden Rule is here to keep your home feeling like a sanctuary. Stay cool, stay comfy, and remember, we care about your comfort.